Welcome back to the ISNaDBiblio tutorial series. In Module 16, we examine the Three-Field Sankey diagram. It links three dimensions at once in a single picture, so you can see how authors, themes, and publication outlets connect at a glance. Let us begin by opening the Three-Field Sankey menu. The Three-Field Sankey page is now open. The diagram is built from three columns. The left column, the middle column, and the right column each represent one dimension. The most common arrangement puts authors on the left, keywords in the middle, and publication sources on the right. You can change the dimension of each column to match your own research question. For example, countries on the left, keywords in the middle, and journals on the right, to see what each country specializes in. Now let us read the flows. Each block is a single entity, such as one author or one keyword. The height of a block reflects how much that entity contributes. A ribbon joining two columns shows a direct link between them. The thicker the ribbon, the stronger that link. So what does this give you in practice? You can trace a theme to the left to find out who has been working on it. You can also trace it to the right to find out which journals usually publish it. That way, when you set out to write on a theme, you immediately know both the key scholars and the journals to aim for. The number of entities per column can be adjusted, then press Apply to refresh the diagram. With that, we have walked through everything in the Three-Field Sankey module. You can now read the links between three dimensions at once. In the next module, we move into the citation analysis group. See you there.